GoHighLevel Harris is the best affiliate on the planet. Now today, I'm gonna show you this live on my phone near the end of the video. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna book meetings with voice AI. So how it's gonna work is, let's pretend we have 3 calendars that we want this AI to ask a potential customer for which one they want to book onto. Okay, a 10-minute session, a 30-minute session, or a 16-minute session. So how I want this to work is, let's say a client rings the phone, the business's phone number. I want the AI to pick up and ask the client, are they asking to book a session or ask for a general query, like any random question. If the client says they want to book a session, I want the AI to say, okay, which session, the 10-minute session, 30-minute session, 60-minute session, and then whatever one they pick, I want the AI to then trigger a workflow in the background and then send the client an SMS with the calendar link so they can book on. So let's do that now. So just for your information, I have created a 30-minute session, 60-minute session, and a 10-minute session calendar just for the purpose of this demo, we can say. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go to automations and let's go to create workflow. Okay, just bear with me with this, just follow along. Now I'm just going to show you an example. If someone says they want to book a 30-minute session on the phone, now you would duplicate this for you do the same thing here for 10-minute and 60-minute. So you don't need a trigger because we're going to do that through voice AI. What we're going to do is a simple SMS session calendar. Now I'm going to need the URL of the calendar of the 30-minute calendar. So let's go to calendars and let's get the URL for the 30-minute session. So let's go here, let's go to share and copy this permanent link and go back and put it in. Okay, so let's go back to our automation. So we want the SMS to send this link here. So that's the link. So we just test it out quickly. This should be the 30-minute session. Here it is, 30-minute session. Okay, cool. Let's press save action and save. Okay, so this is the workflow, the back end, how that's going to work. Now what we want to do is, in the sub account, of course, go to settings and let's go to voice AI agents and let's create the voice AI agent. Okay, once we press create agent, let's do this. So we can name the agent whatever you want. So I'll name this agent GoHighLevel Harris. Why not? Business name, we can name it whatever you want. Leave it as I'm at Alam X. The voice, I don't know. Let's get Tim. How does Tim sound?
If you smile when no one else is around, you really mean it.
Tim sounds a bit crazy, but that's fine. So the initial message, we want to say, hey, you have reached Alam X. We want to say here, would you like me to book you in, or do you have any questions? So that's what we want the initial message to say, okay? So that looks all good. Now let's press next. Then click name, email, go to switch to advanced mode. That's what we want. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. Now this looks all fine. So instructions for handling the caller's queries. Now for number 3, we want to write a number 3, and I'm gonna write this up, then I'll go to at the end. Now I've written, if a customer wants to book a session, or if they ask anything about timings of the session, then ask what session they want. Then ask what session they would like to know about, either 10-minute, 30-minute, or 60-minute session. Then tell them I will send them an SMS with a link to book with that session they have mentioned. Okay, so that's what I'm telling the AI to do. You can go in more detail with this. This is a demo. I'm just like I would go into more detail, give it more prompts, tell it to do more things. But once you got the gist of it, which I'm showing you now, once you got that gist, then you want to say trigger a workflow. So that workflow, so this is the 30-minute session. The workflow was a 30-minute session with a full stop. Now, when to trigger the session, only trigger this workflow if the customer has asked to book onto the 30-minute session, or they are asking about the timings of the 30-minute session. Okay, then what to say when the workflow has been triggered? Then say, I have just sent you an SMS of the 30-minute session. Okay, so this will all be done through voice AI. So now we can just press save. Now I'm gonna show you this live as well. But while that's loading up, if you want to get 30-day free trial with GoHighLevel and all these benefits here, If you use the link description, you get 30-day free trial with high level, one-on-one support, and all the other things that you can see. And if you don't want to do that and you just want to learn high level, if you go to my playlist, I've got playlists starting from 1 to 11, going through each one. So hope that will help. Let's check back on our voice AI. Okay, that's done now. So we can send an email to Pacific user if we want to or not. So that's all done. We can press next. Phone number. So you'd have to go to phone numbers here. I've created a separate video on that. So if you go to my channel and type in phone number, setting up high level phone properly, so you can go watch that video how to set up the phone number if you don't have that, but I've already got that done, so I can select the phone number here. So obviously I can go to phone and select that number and press save. So let's see how this works. So I've got my phone here. What I can do is I'm gonna put my phone number, I'm gonna blur this out. Okay, so what I want to do is I want the AI to do exactly what I've told it to do. So let's see if it's gonna do what I said it's gonna do. So I'm gonna say call me, and it should ring me. There you go. As you can tell, it's ringing me, so I'll put it on speaker.
Hey, you have reached Alamex. Would you like me to book you in, or do you have any questions?
Could you book me in, please?
Sure thing. Which session would you like to book? We've got 10-minute, 30-minute, and 60-minute sessions available.
Can I book onto the 30-minute session?
I have just sent you an SMS of the calendar for the 30-minute session. Great. You're all set for the 30-minute session. Anything else I can help you with?
That's it. See you later. Okay. I'm opened up that link to the 30-minute session, and I'll just screen record on my phone, so I could put it on screen there. So I've just got the link. I previewed this before, so you can see too. So we click on that, we open it up, and here's the link for the 30-minute session, and we can go on and book a session and go from there. Okay, so you can do this for other things. So I've done this very quickly. I don't try to waste people's time, like make a 30-minute video on something that I can do very quick. So be sure, please subscribe to my channel. I try to drop as much value in the video as possible. As you can see, adding gradients to using custom CSS, adding the code in description, etc, etc. Please subscribe and watch the playlists if you're looking to get started. And if you want to book a call with me in description, you can also do that too. So hope that helps. That's how you're going to book meetings with voice AI. Super cool. I showed you live how it works as well at the end, so you can see it all play down in real time. So yeah, please like the video, helps me out, and yeah, that's it.